So guys, welcome back to our channel, the Asian Mechanic Guy. And for today guys, this is just the update for the bumper replacement for this 2007 Mitsubishi Lancer. And guys, as you can see, I did some modification. So guys, I just put this string. I tried to push this one and so that they can meet each other, but then guys, this one will touch the headlight, so it's not really fit well. So there's nothing much I can do. So I just put a strap in here, a string or strap, and then I put two retaining clip in here, one in here and one in here, and in here too. So guys, like I said, this is a replacement bumper, so it didn't really matches the design of the headlight. So that's pretty much we can do for this replacement bumper. And also guys, in here on the side, I did only put the bolt, if you could see that right there, and then the rest it's not connected anymore because it's not aligned. See that guy? If you push this one, this one will pop out. So guys, it's really hard to make some adjustment. So as you can see in here, it's not really aligned. Same thing on the driver's side. See that guys, it's not really fit well. So again, I just put we can only put one bolt in there, and then the rest is not connected. I did manage to put one retaining clip in here, but then on that side it was like a pop out. So if you're planning to guys, if you're planning to put this kind of bumper, think about it. It looks, I don't know if it looks good for the Lancer enthusiast. I don't know, but you need to modify it. Yeah guys, this is just an update for this bumper installation. I might gonna put few more retaining clip in there. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, or I can just put again strap. I will end up with a strap. I try to make it nice and clean, but guys, it's really hard. Every time I push this one, this one will come out. It will create a gap in here, so it's no good. So I have to align it this way. This is the best way I can align it. Otherwise, it won't look good. So guys, again, this is just an update for this bumper for this 2007 Mitsubishi Lancer. So if you have any question guys, suggestion, please comment down below, and consider like and subscribe my channel too. So that's all for today guys, and see you on my next video. Bye bye.